KTM has officially launched the 2025 KTM 390 Adventure S in India, bringing some exciting updates to the highly popular adventure touring bike. The motorcycle now features the same 399cc single-cylinder LC4C engine from the Duke. This power plant produces 46 PS at 8,500 RPM and 39 Nm of torque at 6,500 RPM. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox and comes equipped with a bidirectional quickshifter for smooth, fast gear changes. The new 390 Adventure boasts a sharp, aggressive design, starting with a vertically stacked dual projector headlamp flanked by daytime running lights. It also gets a tall windscreen and a beak-style mudguard, contributing to its rugged adventure look. The side profile includes a clean, sharp front cowl, a narrow seat, and prominent side panels beneath the seat. One of the major design changes is the underbelly exhaust, replacing the upswept exhaust of the previous model. The rear of the bike remains minimalist, with a compact tail lamp. The 390 Adventure S comes with a 5-inch TFT display that supports smartphone connectivity for a more modern, tech-friendly experience. The bike is loaded with electronics like cruise control, cornering ABS, off-road ABS, and cornering traction control. There are 3 ride modes available: street, rain, and off-road, making it versatile for different riding conditions. The motorcycle is equipped with a WP Apex upside-down fork at the front and a rear monoshock, both fully adjustable and providing 200 mm of suspension travel. This ensures a smooth and comfortable ride over varied terrains. The braking setup consists of a 320 mm front disc and a 240 mm rear disc. The 390 Adventure S features spoked wheels, 21 inches at the front and 17 inches at the rear, shod with tubeless tires for added durability and off-road readiness. The seat height is set at 830 mm, making the bike accessible to a wide range of riders. The curb weight stands at 183 kilograms, keeping it relatively light for its class. The 390 Adventure S also offers an impressive ground clearance of 227 mm. Additionally, it comes with a 14.5-liter fuel tank, ensuring an extended range of more than 400 kilometers. With its new engine, modern design, and upgraded features, the 2025 KTM 390 Adventure S is set to raise the bar for adventure touring motorcycles.